guys ate too much.
Your caramel is not on.
Wala siyang seatbelt ate.
Wala.
Driver ko, kabado.
Kasi andyan ka, pre. Kasi andyan ka.
Alam mo, dapat doon na, para hindi sila magalaw sa likod sila. In between, no, Han? If they will be in between the waves, there's... No, let them enjoy. No, you guys, you enjoy yours and we will enjoy ours. No? Hi! Mabigat! Parang malungkot dyan. Ay, talagang ganun ang pag- Ito talaga dati. Hindi na ako manggagawin.